Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and well, the video from yesterday aged quite well. So we talked about how Zion was close to a breakout and close to a key resistance zone, popped through that resistance zone of 22 cents. So we're going to take a look at what we could see moving forward today, rest of the week, and just kind of go from there. So as we said, we were talking about 22 cents was that resistance level we needed to bust through there, and we did, okay, which is exciting. So we went above there, above 22, got all the way to 23, and we talked about that, saying maybe we can go to 23, 24, and then that's where the pullback would happen, and we'd find some support at 22. Looking like that might be a possibility here, and we'll just have to kind of wait and see how it acts today. I would assume that it kind of pops its head up a little bit this morning, gets to 24, maybe even 25 cents, and then some type of slight pullback, because you can tell here on the RSI we're already overvalued, overextended slightly, and typically, you know, some stocks stay there for a long time to where they can just keep running and this and that. ZNOG is typically not one of those stocks that typically gets to the overvalued stages and stays there. It usually will pull back from that level, although in an uptrend it may not pull back as much. So what we want to see is, yeah, maybe it pop its head up to like 24, 25, and then off of the pullback we want to see it hold right here at this level at 22. If it can hold at 22 and bounce off of here at some point, maybe tomorrow, then I would think next week sometime, if all the sentiment stays the same and the technicals stay the same and everything like that, we could come out and target this 27 cent mark. We could come out there next week and target that. If we don't, if we break below 22, then you're looking at coming down to test the 19 cent mark. Below there you got about 16 or 17. Below there is about 14, around 11, then all the way down to 6. I don't see it coming and busting through all these levels here unless they come out and say that their well is not commercially viable, and they say that, you know, basically the same old of we don't have it yet, and just pray for us and keep giving us your money, you know. If we get an update like that, it's gonna fall, okay, and it's probably gonna fall down to here significantly quickly, and most likely bounce there. But if it breaks through there, then you can probably think about 3 cents would be the overall floor of what you might be looking at. Okay, so this is the 180-day 4-hour time frame. Keep that in mind. So we're looking for a little slight pop, and because we want to see, as you see, we've hit here before recently, right? I mean, we've hit about 22 before. It's not that much higher. It is higher, but it's not that much higher. We want to get about 3 to 4 cents above where we were at least 3 cents. Get to like 25, and then let's pull back. Okay, then let's find support on the 22. So keep an eye on that today. Again, Thursday is also historically a day where sometimes they release updates, so that's something to consider, to kind of keep an eye out on, you know, on your email and on stock twits and things like that. However, they did just send an email out, so you may not see anything today. So Mondays, Thursdays typically are when they release, but again, just kind of unpredictable. We're just kind of a lot of factors that go into this company, geologically, politically, all that type of stuff. So it's one just to kind of keep an eye on from here. But those are the numbers that you're looking for. So other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.